Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For tonight's dinner, I am going to make another pasta, and this one I'm using spaghetti noodles and putting the cream of chicken and clam. So this is minced clam, and I'm going to try if these three are good combination. So it will be a really simple, really easy, very easy. So I have 1 can of cream of chicken and 2 cans of minced clam. If you can find fresh clam, it's probably better, but this is what I have in my pantry. So 1 cream of chicken, 2 minced clams, and I'm going to boil some of these noodles, probably enough for 2 meals. And then I have lots and lots of bacon and lots of garlic, because I'm not putting onion, just garlic, guys. And I'm going to get about a cup of water from where we are going to boil this, and I'm already boiling it right there. And I put a little bit of salt. So the seasoning is just our chicken powder, salt, and pepper. Very simple, right? Very easy dinner. So I'm going to boil the pasta. It's not much left in there, so I'll go ahead and cook all of it, because I used half of this already before, guys. And from what I've heard, guys, before, I don't know how true it is, but they said do not break your spaghetti noodles in half. So I'm just following what I heard. Okay, so we'll just boil that pasta. And while we are waiting for the noodles, guys, to be cooked or to be done, I'm going to cook the bacon. So guys, I'm going to remove half. Because we are adding this one to the sauce. And then the one that I'm going to toast is for toppings. So this is for our toppings. And I'm going to remove a little bit of the fat or the oil. I keep this oil, guys, because this is the one that I use for sauteing sometimes, especially for vegetables. Okay, now I'm ready to saute the garlic. I want to toast it a little bit, so we'll get all the flavor, strong flavor of the garlic. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to put the minced clam, and I want the juice from the clams to give a little bit more flavor. Then I'm gonna put that bacon, and then the cream of chicken. Then I'm gonna get a little bit of the water from where we boiled the noodles. About a cup. Season it with chicken powder, pepper. I'm not gonna put salt yet. I wanna taste it first. And we are now ready to put our noodles. And I cook the noodles al dente, so it's not gonna be so soft when we add it to the sauce. I wish I have Parmesan cheese. I don't have Parmesan cheese. I have mozzarella, but I don't know if you can add mozzarella on this. Man, that looks so good. Or fresh parsley. You know what, guys? I cannot help it. I'm going to put mozzarella. It's not planned for me to put mozzarella, but oh well, I have some, so let's put some. Not much though. Do what it makes me happy. After all, it's my cooking. If you don't want to put cheese, you don't need to put cheese. That is if you want to copy the recipe. But you know me, guys, I'm a cheese lover. I need to try the noodles if it is done, because I don't want it to cook the noodles too long. It doesn't want to break. All done. Ta-da! OMG! Presenting presenting my pasta. I'm going to put the toasted bacon on top. There you go. Can you imagine, guys, if I have fresh parsley and squeeze a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon. But oh well, I didn't go to the grocery store yet, so I have to work on what I have in my fridge and my pantry. And this is what I came out with for dinner. Tasting time. I want some of the clam. felt like I didn't tasted it the first time. So I'll do it again. It's hot. I really wish I had fresh lemon to squeeze a little bit of lemon, guys. You know what? I think I have lemon powder. Maybe that will do. I have lemon pepper. Sprinkle a little bit of that. Maybe it will satisfy my craving for lemon. So guys, I did not put salt anymore because the saltiness is perfect. So there's so much flavor that's going on with this dish. I can taste the clams really well, and I can taste the bacon, and it's so good combination. The lemon gave a little bit more flavor to the dish. It completed it. Wow. You should try this recipe, guys. If you have fresh clams, it's probably way better. But I think that canned clams are fresh. They just put it in the can. Nice. That's good. The bacon, the toppings part, is really good idea because it adds crunch to the dish, and it's a little bit different flavor when it's crunchy like this on top. All I can say is delish. See, I put some of the mozzarella cheese but not a lot, so I can taste it a little bit but not overpowering. It's just perfect. Good thing I thought of this lemon pepper powder. I'm going to say bye now so I can enjoy my dinner, and thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Win's Life, and I do cooking, cleaning, decorating, traveling. We got back from Japan a few weeks or months ago, and I really enjoy that place. I love it so much. So, but anyway, guys, I'll see you again on our next dish, next meal, next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.